Nokia Magic Max versus Redmi Note 14 Pro plus 5G full comparison. Thickness, weight, build, back protection, frame, water resistant, display size, display type, resolution, refresh rate, pixel density, body ratio, aspect ratio, protection, touch sampling rate, brightness, HDR, UI iOS, OS iOS, UI, performance, chipset, processor, CPU, graphics, storage, variants, storage type, RAM type, card slot, main camera, back camera, back camera, camera winner, video recording, slow motion, front camera, front video recording, battery, capacity, fast charging, battery type, wireless charging, connectivity, network, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, USB, sound, headphone jack, speaker, unlock option, fingerprint, face unlock, guys. 8 GB plus 256 GB, 12 GB plus 512 GB, 12 GB plus 256 GB. Winner. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel.